Yo guys, what's going on? I'm about to show you a way better, safer website on how to get free $100 coupon codes. It's called icycoupons.com, so don't be using ogcoupons.net. Use icycoupons.com right here, and I'm going to show you just how easy this is. So you go reload it, icycoupons. As you can see, it's the real site. It's not a scam site. What you do, scroll down, and say you go to AliExpress. Go down and you're going to see AliExpress coupons, press show coupon code, and then the coupon code's going to be there. Now you guys can unlock other coupon codes as well, but as you guys can see, icycoupons.com is the real site where you can get all these $100 coupon codes for like Uber Eats, Amazon, Nike, heaps of cool sites here that all works. You can use it on Wish, Best Buy, anything you're needing a $100 coupon code, you can use at IC Coupons. So guys, make sure to check this out. Use IC Coupons. It's way better than OG Coupons and actually loads and gets you the coupons easily. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this little video. If you need any help, be sure to leave a comment. I can help you guys out. But yeah, check out icycoupons.com if you want to save $100 at your next checkout at any store. Alrighty guys, peace.